everyone. Oh my gosh, this is so good to be here. My name is Mrs. Kasha Davis. And that was the theme to Superman, if you don't know that. We were talking backstage. I like a soft G, you know that. Because I'm a lady. We were talking about how Blair St. Clair sometimes gets, she'll be walking in the airport, they think she's a woman, sometimes they think she's a lesbian. And I said, when I'm dressed in drag, they think I'm a man. So, we have that in common. Anyway, I digest. I just can go on. I am so glad to be here tonight in Syracuse. I just love Ray Lounge. And it's been a while since I've been here, and it's so good to be here. I know that it seems like everybody's just coming in from the outside. We got our smokers, and we have our people doing things in the bathroom, like poop, maybe. I don't know what goes on in there. I know, right? Some of you, you're not that kind of a person. Not at all. Yes, so, if you don't know this, I was actually on RuPaul's Drag Race Season 7. You might remember me from the opening credits. I mean, it's okay. It's just, I'm so glad to have been on the show. I'm grateful I get to tour all around the world being Mrs. Kasha Davis, which is a hoot for me, a suburban housewife, right? Because of that one gig in Montreal. I'm an international suburban. Listen, you have to be careful what you wish for, because I tell people I'm a housewife, which means a lot of times I stay home. But that's okay, I have a lovely husband. Is anybody here looking for a husband? Anybody looking for a husband?
Yeah.
No one in a gay bar is looking for a husband?
One, please.
Yes, boy. Some of you are. Now, I'll give you some advice when you're looking for a husband. You need to make sure he has a penis, a pulse, and good credit. This gentleman has very good credit. I don't know if you know that. And he has a husband who happens to have a penis. But it's 2018, you can do that, right? And every morning they give each other a pearl necklace because they're ladies. That is very fancy of you. Yes, I do like to tell everybody I'm not actually a woman.
What?
Surprise! Yeah. No, I'm a lady. My mother taught me at a very early age that anybody can be a girl, but it takes a lot of balls to be a lady. These are my chesticles right up here. I shaved them for your entertainment tonight. Now we've got a lot of gals in the show tonight. I hope you're ready for some drag queens. Yes! Oh my God! And some of them are in the audience. If you're a drag queen, make some noise. You are? Come over here, Fireball. Is that the name of your drag name, Fireball?
Pearl Sky.
Pearl Sky. Oh. This is Pearl Sky from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Syracuse, New York.
Oh, visiting my sister. She has had a baby on the 26th.
Oh, your sister had a baby girl. Is she going to be a drag queen too?
I hope so.
I hope so, yeah. It's in the family blood. Oh my gosh, well congratulations, you're an aunt. Now, do you have any special things that you're going to do as an aunt for your niece?
Already did.
What did you do? Buy her all the different gifts that you could possibly could? And what is it called? Destiny Mall? That gigantic fucking mall you have in Syracuse? Oh my God, it's fantastic. Well, congratulations. Give them a nice warm hand. You can go away. That's terrible of me. Oh my God. I've been spending a lot of time with my family in Pennsylvania. Scranton, Pennsylvania. Sadly, my father passed away. We actually, thank you. I am now an orphan, so I'm available. I'm for adoption, and I have the red curly hair for it. So, that's how come out tomorrow. No one's gonna adopt me. All right, we're gonna get this show going. Are you ready for some show? gal has a name that I just love so much. It was one I was considering for myself. Here she is, Pussy Drip